Hello everyone, I'm RJ Candare and I'm here to present to you Project 2 of the SUMO program titled Mine Geotechnical and Environmental Assessment Robotic System or Mine GEARS. Monitoring of mining areas are typically performed using manual sampling and measurement campaigns. These activities are costly and are limited only to areas which are accessible to human workers. The two main problems in this context are that 1. We have a challenging terrain and hazardous environment to monitor, and the current methodologies for monitoring produce very low spatiotemporal resolution data. Over the past few years, UAV mapping has proven to be very effective and bring enormous insight into various monitoring activities. On the other hand, teleoperated UGVs have also been used for environmental monitoring but are still faced with challenges with respect to autonomous navigation. Coordinated operations between UGVs and UAVs can create highly beneficial synergies such as multi-domain high-resolution sensing and enhanced line-of-sight communications. This puts forward the need for the design and development of mine gears. Specifically, mine gears will design and develop an integrated sensor system that can collect environmental and geotechnical parameters for real-time monitoring of the mining site. It will also design and develop a UAV system that can carry the integrated sensor payload and have autonomous navigation capabilities. In a nutshell, Objective 1 is the development of the payload, and Objective 2 is the development of the autonomous carrier. Mine gears will provide a cost-effective way of remote monitoring of mining operations and improve safety for workers in the mining site. It can serve as an environmental monitoring platform which autonomously collects data, and it can also serve as a sentry that can patrol around the mine site. Here is a short video clip of the software development and simulations that we have done during the first quarter. During the first quarter, our team has also started constructing a full-scale prototype to test the reliability of the chassis, especially the rocker bogie mechanism of our UGV in various settings. Since this project is still on its early stages, there is still much work to be done. On behalf of the Mine Gears team, we would like to thank DOST for giving us the opportunity and funding to do this research. Maraming salamat po.